there's staring, bro. That's 2 necks. That's 2 necks. Somebody write that down. Somebody add up those tallies. What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller and the R32 back here with another video. We've got some stuff to knock out today, and I'm bringing you guys along with me. If you guys have not seen yesterday's video where we put on the new Ganondorf mirrors, go check those out, and I will see you guys in the comments. Now, if you guys do like today's video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe for plenty more Skyline and automotive content in general. Let's let this thing warm up and get into our day. This thing sounds good as usual. We're gonna let this Johnny warm up and we'll be good. I know I'm not really supposed to be driving the car, but it goes fine up to like 35 miles an hour. Well, up to like 50 miles an hour realistically. But I'm like, dude, it's a couple miles. We'll be all right. We're not going too fast. Need to stretch its legs. And I miss this car so much, but I love that nobody can see in here with the tint. Also passed a kid and he was like, wow! And that was pretty great. I miss that, man. I miss making people happy with this car because it makes me happy too. Guaranteed these guys can't see me because of the tint, but they're staring, bro. That's 2 necks. That's 2 necks. Somebody write that down. Somebody add up those tallies. Freaking lifted Tiguan in front of us. Touareg is sick. I think he just took a picture. This old man is so confused. He's so confused. He's like, what is that thing? Why are the wheels poking out like that? Real quick before we go in, can anybody else not drive with shoes sometimes? Like, they were slipping off my heels because I wear them loose. Bro, if you guys have not tried driving without your shoes, try it and see if it's like way more comfortable or if it makes a difference at all. But dude, just for me, I've switched recently and it's kind of nice. Kind of nice. Let's go get some oil. It's always nice seeing the work homies from advance, and I just realized why that man was probably looking. It's probably because my busted ass quarter panel. I still don't know what we're gonna do about this, or if I'm just gonna leave it until paint or whatnot, but this thing's turning into a 240 very fast. Point of view, this is if you guys were my coffee. Cheers to a successful trip back. Can't complain. We're getting ready to sell some of Emmy's stuff that she doesn't need anymore. So for one, this hood gone. 2, this finish panel that is cracked because I stepped on it is also going to be gone. If anybody would like a Miata rear bumper, please contact one of us. Very cheap. All yours. You guys all know the rules when there's a rental car. Put as many miles on it as possible.
Also, if your parts have been sitting outside like ours, give them a little wipe down. Be courteous.
Yeah,
to people that are buying your shit, you know? They don't want to buy.
Don't be an asshole.
Dirty.
All right, this is covered in spiders and dust. We're just gonna wipe it down. All right. Take 20 seconds. Yeah. Ready? Watch. 20 times better.
Good job.
We should put that in a second. I think this thing is a Forester.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh shit.
This thing is very nice. This thing is very nice. The Outback my mom had as a rental is kind of shitty, but this thing, oh, we got leather everywhere.
I like that.
Lots of buttons, heated wheel. The stitching, yeah, the gray or the white in this thing is really nice. If she got this, I would honestly not be disappointed. This thing's actually kind of cool. Kind of nice.
Hood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Plenty
of room.
That seems to be the standard around here with cargo space. 1
hood space, please. Yeah. I don't know whose 7 Series this is, but hopefully you guys can tell it's got the static bounce going on. It is stiff as hell, and it is very low, so hopefully we'll see it here in a minute. The new 7 Series is dumped. I can't tell what wheels it's on, but I love it. Goodbye, friend. So recently, my top caliper bolt fell out again, so I put that back in and fixed it, but now my front end has like a really bad shutter, and I think it's because of the spacers I'm using. So I'm gonna try to loosen the wheel, fix that, and we're also gonna do the oil change. Let's do it. All right, y'all, and just like that, our oil change is complete. Now, did I spill probably 3 quarts out onto the ground? Absolutely. Do we have kitty litter? Absolutely. Let's fix this wheel.
I'm gonna make ramen.
Now, a lot of people don't know this, but if you guys have spacers on your car, just like the AutoZone Advance rings, basically, that go between your wheel and the hub, this can cause a lot of front end shake. You might think it's your rotors. If it's under braking, then most likely it's your rotors. If you don't have any spacers and you just wobble at a certain speed, your wheels are probably out of balance. In my case, when I took this off and put this back on, I'm sure the spacer slid down in a weird way or something, but now it is causing like terrible front end shake, and it's very annoying. So that is what we're trying to fix today. Camera gang, camera gang. So as you guys can see right now, the spacer is just resting on the hub. Now how it's supposed to sit is like this, where none of the spacer is touching this centerpiece here. I don't have hub-centric rings, which is another great way to fix this problem. I'm just gonna have to be messing with this and try to hold the wheel up and try to get the lug studs in and basically pray that this spacer is straight and make it straight. So I'm gonna be doing that for a minute. Could it really be me working on my car without messing something up or getting something dirty? Absolutely not. This is also very difficult because the car is in the air, and so the front wheel can just spin all that at once. All right, this should be so much more centered than before. Now, there's always been a little bit of a shake in this car, so I'm not worried if there's a little bit. I just need it to improve compared to what it has been, which is terrible. We still got like 14 days left till the Skyline gets its alignment. Once again, that is on the 15th, the Automotive Performance. Get those new uppers in and then get it aligned. Finally. Once again, the kit for it should arrive later this month, or by the end of this month is what the company said. So fingers crossed, and then from there, we're gonna go straight to ATL to get it painted and do all the body work once we have it fitted. Here we go, here we go. A little pull in the wagon, here we go. Here we go, oh, 35. This is matted, by the way. 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. All right, I'm sure you guys can hear the wobble. It still wobbles. Nice. So that kind of sucks, but at least the oil is changed. I'll deal with it and not go 62 miles an hour where that wobbles most. We don't have kitty litter, so I don't know how I managed to spill this much, to be completely honest. This thing will be back soon. I don't really have too much else for you guys today. I am filming the Brutally Honest Car Reviews / podcast episode with Rob tonight. So if you guys did submit your car for that, be ready. If you guys did not, be ready for episode 2 when we're taking more submissions. So that means car will also be back soon. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm trying to work on and develop more ways to make content for you guys, to have consistent content available to make, and then consistent content available for you guys to watch. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. This has been Fitz, the R32, and the wagon, back here with another video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.